Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix error 0xd0000002. We were instead able to set your PIN in Windows. Step 1, delete NGC folder to reset PIN. Open the Start menu, type File Explorer, and open it. Click the three-dot icon in the toolbar, select Options. Go to the View tab, choose Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply and OK. On the left panel, choose This PC, then open Local Disk C. Go to the Windows folder, then open Service Profiles, and after that, open Local Service. Find and open the App Data folder. Then go to Local Microsoft, NGC. If you are denied access, right-click on NGC, then choose Properties, then Security, then Advanced. Click Change Owner, then Advanced, then Find Now. Select your username, and then click OK. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects, then click Apply and OK. Now open the NGC folder, select all files, right-click, and choose Delete. Step 2, Modify Group Policy. This step applies only to Windows 10 and Windows 11 Pro or higher editions. Open the Start menu and search for Group Policy, then select Edit Group Policy. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates. Go to System, then Log On. On the right, double-click Turn on Convenience PIN Sign In. Set the option to Not Configured, then click Apply and OK. Restart your computer. That's it. Hopefully you can now set up your PIN without issues. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.